Hey guys, in this video, we're going to go over how to switch phones on Boost Mobile. So first, you actually need to prepare the new phone. So connect that to Wi-Fi, right? Ensure your new phone has a Wi-Fi connection, and then download the Boost Mobile app and sign in with your account. Then what you do is you navigate to settings. So tap on settings in the app, tap on device setup, and then go ahead and tap on manage under your appropriate line. Select change phone, right? Follow the prompts to activate the new device. And then what you do, guys, if you're using an eSIM, right? If it's an eSIM compatible device, go ahead and transfer or restore. So Boost Mobile in Australia, usually they provide instructions on transferring or restoring your eSIM within the app. So go ahead and follow that, and some additional consideration would be to, back up your data before you actually switch, right? On the old phone. And if you need help, guys, you can always contact Boost customer care for further assistance. But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you in the next one.